Elements of poetry. Today we are going to focus on rhyme. We've gone over rhyme before, but today we're going to review it. Go ahead and think back to rhyme. What is it? Okay, rhyme. Go ahead and say that with me. Good job. Words end with the same sound or sounds. For example, cat, sat. Can you think of other words that rhyme with the words cat and sat? Maybe mat, bat, rat, that. What do each one of those words end with? What sound? At, right? So the sound that we're focusing on, the rhyming sound, is at. Okay? Now that's just an example. What I'd like to do today is play a little video over rhyming for you. Listen to it, and then we're going to look at a poem and see if we can't figure out the rhyming words in there. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to watch a little Brain Pop video titled Rhyming Words. Remember, rhyming words are words that end with the same sound or sounds. For example, cat and sat. They both end with the at sound. So they're rhyming words. Okay, let's begin.
Moby can leap, and Moby can beat. Moby spins twice. Isn't that nice? Moby falls down. Look at him frown. Sorry, Moby. I love to make up jump rope rhymes. But what is a rhyme? I know rhyming words sound the same, like cat and bat. You can find rhymes everywhere, like in songs, poems, books, or even ads. Moby, can you think of rhyming words? Let's see. What rhymes with book? Cook. What rhymes with pick? Kick. What rhymes with monkey bar? A funky car. I think I see a pattern. The words book and cook both end with an ook sound. Pick and kick both end with an ick sound. The words bar and car end in an r sound. I guess words that rhyme have the same ending sound. I see another pattern. These rhyming words are spelled almost the same way. You're right, Moby. Green and bean definitely rhyme, but they're spelled differently. Same with hair and bear. I guess rhyming words have the same ending sound, but they can be spelled differently.
So remember, or what she just said was, rhyming words, they have the same ending sound. It's okay if they're spelled differently, like hair and bear. They both have the air sound. Air, air. Spelled differently, but they both have the air sound. Okay? That's really important whenever we're talking about rhyme. Remember that.
It can get tricky. So, how can you tell if words rhyme? Park closes after dark. The words park and dark rhyme. They have the same ending sound, and they're in the same word family. A word family is a group of words that have the same ending sound. The words park, dark, bark, and lark are all in the same word family.
So, word family, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you think these next examples I'm going to give you are in the same word family. Cat, sat, mat, bat, rat. Do you think those words right there are in the same word family? They are.
Slow down now. The words slow and now are spelled almost the same. They look like they might rhyme, but they definitely do not have the same ending sound. They are not in the same family. Slow is in the same word family as crow and snow, but now belongs in the same word family as cow and plow. Word families are helpful because they group words with the same patterns. How can word families help you read? The clown played a I don't know that word, but I can use word families to help me read it. Let's see. What words are in the same family as this one? Tank and bank are both in the same word family.
Tank and bank. What's the ending sound that you hear that's being that's rhyming? Okay, let's see if what you said is what she's about to say.
So this word must be prank. See, Moby? Rhyming words are lots of fun.
So she said the word was prank. So tank had the ank sound. So did prank, ank.
I don't know what rhymes with orange. I don't know what rhymes with purple either. Moby, I don't think lurple is a word.
Alright, I hope you like that little video over rhyming words. Let's go ahead and look at a poem that I have on one of the slides, and I'm going to read it to you, and then I'll read it to you a second time, and that time I need your help to figure out the rhyming words in the poem. Alright? Okay, here's a little poem titled Little Fish. I'm going to read it once, just listen. Second time I need your help to find the rhyming words, and we'll highlight the rhyming words. One little fish swam in his dish. He blew bubbles and made a wish. All he wanted was another fish to swim with him in his little dish. Another fish came one day to blow bubbles while they played. Two little fish blowing bubbles in the dish, swimming around, singing pish, pish, pish. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it again. This time I need your help. Actually, right now, think about it. What was the sound, the rhyming sound you kept hearing over and over again? It should have been ish, right? As in, let me see. Get a little highlighter. Right there. Fish, right? So I'm going to read. I need you to listen, okay? One little fish swam in his dish. Does fish and dish rhyme? They sure do. We hear the ish in both of them. He blew bubbles. Hear any rhyming? Nope. And made a wish. Does wish rhyme with fish and dish? It does. Okay. All he wanted was another fish. Another rhyming word. Just give me thumbs up if you hear the rhyming word. To swim with him in his little dish. Another fish came one day to blow bubbles while they played. Two little fish, a lot of ish, blowing bubbles in the dish. Swimming around, pish, pish, pish. These all rhyme. Okay, what was the rhyming sound you kept hearing over and over again? Ish is fish, dish, wish, pish. Are they all in the same word family? They are, because they all have the ish sound, and they're all spelled with I-S-H. Okay, I hope you like this little review over elements of poetry. Let me go ahead and go back to the poster real quick. Okay, so one more time. Elements of poetry, rhyme. What is rhyme? Words end with the same sound or sounds. For example, cat and sat.